friends.
In this video, we are going to see about bird facts.
Number 1. There are 10,000 species of bird. There are around 10,000 different species of bird. They range from big to small and are lots of different colors.
Number 2. All birds lay eggs. All female birds lay eggs. Their baby birds then hatch out of the shell when they are ready. If you look up into the trees, you might be able to see nest. Birds make this so that they have a safe and warm place to keep their eggs.
Number 3. Birds migrate to other countries. A lot of birds migrate, which means depending on the season they fly elsewhere. This is often to do with the weather of different countries or places. If their food is running low, they need to find it somewhere else to live. Around 4,000 birds migrate.
Number 4. All birds have feathers. All birds have feathers and they are very useful for lots of different reasons. Feathers help birds to fly. They help to control the wind when flying through the air. They also keep birds warm in the winter. Did you know that birds also use their feathers to show off? A peacock does exactly this. A peacock will show all of his feathers to attract a mate. Number 5. Birds are great communicators. Birds chirp and sing. They do this for lots of different reasons. Another reason is to warn other birds of danger. They also do it to scare off predators. Number 6. Birds don't have teeth. Birds don't have teeth, which means they have to swallow food whole. They have an organ called gizzard which grinds up their food. This then helps them to digest it properly.
A group of birds is called a flock. A flock of birds is a large group of birds from the same species. They stay very close together. It is believed they do this as they are safer from predators when they are in a group. When they are in a flock, they are usually traveling together or looking for food.
Number 8. Some birds can mimic humans. You might already know that parrots can mimic what we say. Crows and ravens can also do it, although wild ones haven't had much practice. Ostriches have the largest eyes in any mammal on land. As well as their largest eyes, they also lay the largest eggs and they are the largest birds. Number 10. The smallest bird is a bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird on the planet. It can grow from 5 to 6.1 centimeters. Have a look on your ruler to see how small that is. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.